Hello, today I'm going to Asembo. Asembo is in Siaya County in the Gulf of Lake Victoria, courtesy of one of my subscriber who had sent me a photo of his house. So I want to leave at this moment. It's around 8:30. It's not near this place because I'm going to connect. I'm going with the matatu and I'm going to connect up to Kisian and then take another matatu to Ndori. Then from Ndori, I'm told it's not far. I'll just take a boda boda and get to the home. Okay, let's go now to Asembo. I am now at Kisian Junction. This is a road going up to Kisumu, and then the other side goes up to Bondo, but I'm going to alight at Ndori. So I want to cross to the other side to go and take a matatu. I have now alighted at Ndori. I am just at the junction area and I'm looking around if I can see a boda boda to take me to the home. This road here goes up to Luanda Kotieno, and the other main one was now extending up to Bondo. I'm already on a boda boda. Boda boda is a transport sector which is very easy to use, and especially when you don't know where you are going, they will easily take you to the place. They always know each and every area that they are working on. So at this moment, we are off to the home. I'm already at the home. This is the home where I was coming to. So we are going to get inside and see what is happening here. As I opened the gate, I saw this beautiful 3-bedroomed bungalow house. We want to go inside and see how it looks like. I understand the owner has not really completed the house, but let us see what is happening here. This house, the owner started this house last year, but he has done most of the things. Like 90% is already done. As I was approaching the house, I liked the design on the veranda, how the grills were placed. Even the paint, yellow and white, looks so calm and beautiful. This is a grill getting to the veranda area. Look at how beautiful it is. I loved this other one. The way it was coiled, it looks so beautiful. So let us get inside the veranda and see the veranda area, how it looks like. This is a steel door getting inside the house. But before we get inside the house, let's see how the veranda looks like. It's quite a nice veranda. And as we go around, we just want to see how it looks like. We can see how the grills were placed. Look at that. I loved this area somewhere here with how the grills were coiled and they look so beautiful. This is the main grill door which goes outside the house from the veranda. So we will just go around and see how it looks like. This is another coiled grill on the veranda. After that, let us see the ceiling. He has already placed the ceiling on the veranda. It's gypsumed. This is still the veranda area, and we can see how it looks like. Then we can also see the tiles already placed on the veranda area. Looks so beautiful. That mixture of white and black and the design on the veranda. This is a grill door getting into the house. It's getting us to the living room area. Let's go inside and see the interior of the house, how it looks like. We can see the tiles are already placed and the gypsum is already placed. So we want to go around and see the living room area, how it looks like. That is an entertainment area. That's a window. And the windows are also very beautiful. As we just go around and see how the living room area looks like. That's the gypsum on the living room area. It's already done and it looks so beautiful. We are still in the living room area. And you can see the tiles also in the living room area and the design which was placed, white and black, so beautifully placed in the living room area. Okay, now that is now the dining area. There is an open dining area to the living room, and we are just now getting to the dining area. Let us see how the dining area also looks like. The tiles are already placed, and in the dining area, there is this half-opened, I'll call it half-opened area to the kitchen. That is the kitchen area when you are in the dining. But we are going to get there very soon. Let us just see what is happening in the dining area. The ceiling is also placed. It's also gypsumed. Let's just get round and see the gypsum in the dining area. So when I am at the dining area, that's still the living room area. From the dining, let us now get to the kitchen area. We now want to see how the kitchen area looks like. When we get to the kitchen, that is a door going to the back side of the house. And what we can see here, what is remaining here is the tiles on the walls. That is what is not done at this moment. The kitchen cabinets are already placed. We can see the tiles on the walls are not placed yet. These are the few things which are remaining in this house. The floor tiles are placed. This is the kitchen cabinet. They're beautifully placed in the kitchen. We can see the floor tiles. It's already placed. Okay, now I am in the kitchen and that is the dining area. And this one now is the ceiling board in the kitchen area. It's already placed in the kitchen. And you can see this wall, it's halfway done. which divides the kitchen and the dining area. This is part of the dining area and the living room area. Let us now get to the prime bedroom, that is the master bedroom. And this is the area where most of the things are not done. We can see the tiles on the floor is not done. And even the ceiling is not completed in the master bedroom. So these are the areas that the owner is remaining with to do. There is a window and another small window on this other side. There is also a master en suite, a washroom, that's a bathroom, and a toilet inside the master bedroom area. We can see also the tiles on the walls are not done. And this is what makes the 90% work which is done and maybe remaining with 10%. That is my calculation. So this is the master bedroom. We are now getting to the other wing. This is a corridor going to the other wing where there are 2 bedrooms for the kids. And we also want to see what is remaining here. Mostly I can see it is the bedroom areas which are not completely done. But on this other side, he has done most of the work. We can see the windows. The doors are also placed in this house. That is one of the windows in one of the bedrooms. We can see the door is also placed. In this room, what is remaining is the tiles. The tile is not placed on the floor, and the ceiling board is already placed in this room. This is one of the kids' room. We want to get to the other room, but before we get there, there is a bathroom area for these 2 rooms, and they are also not complete. One side, there are 2 doors. One side is going to be a toilet, and the other side is going to be a bathroom, and this side is also not completed. The tiles are not placed yet. These are the things he's now going to see that to complete the house. He places the tiles on the walls in the bathroom. Then let us now get to the other bedroom. And even in this other bedroom, it's only the tiles on the floor which is not placed. The door is there. That's a window. There are 2 windows, which gives it a very nice, bright area in the house. We can see the 2 windows, one big one and another small one. And now this is the ceiling, which is already placed on the bedroom side of the kids. It's only the tiles. You can see the tiles not placed. We now want to go outside. This is just the area of the house, the interior, how it looks like. We are now going to go outside and see what is happening on the exterior side of the house. This is the door now getting me to the exterior of the house. This is the veranda once again. And let us now get and see the exterior of the house. This is now the front side of the house. We want to see how it looks like as we go around the exterior of the house. We are now getting to the left side of the house. This is still the exterior and the left side of the house. In the rural areas, people will place tanks to store rainwater, and there's a tank somewhere here. And now we want to get to the back side. This is still the left side of the house. Let us now get to the back side and see how the back side looks like. We are now at the right side of the house. This is still the exterior of the house. This house was built with blocks, and we can see how the finishing of the walls look like. It's so beautifully done. Look at the paint. Yellow and white concept is also very beautiful. So we are now back to the front side, and we've completed the exterior of the house. The roof is versatile, maroon in color, and let us see how it looks like. From there, I decided to explore the area a bit. This is Asembo Bay, and I wanted just to get near to the lake. You can see the boats that the fishermen use to go to the lake to fish. But they were telling me that they are being removed on this area. So I just stood here looking at the vast area of the lake. The fishermen told me there used to be a lot of activity in this place, but they are now being removed in this area. Everything has been brought down in this area. The government wants to build a port in this area, and that is why the fishermen are now being removed in this area. So the activities in this area now is very minimal. All the structures which were in this area have been brought down. It has been nice to be in Asembo. This is the house I came to shoot. It's over, my beautiful viewers. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and let us meet on my next video.